Hey, what's up, guys? Leviathan here, and welcome to this nature walk of nature walkness that I will be doing. Okay, so I tried to record this once, and it just shut off. Not my phone. Like, the video just stopped recording. And I don't know what that's about, but whatever. I think it said something about my, like I don't have enough memory to actually record this, which is weird because I don't even have that much stuff on my phone. Anyway, I'm just gonna be walking around, I guess. I don't know. Hey, kitty. Yeah, I found my cat. Hi, how's it going? Hey, Xena, say hi to the camera. I didn't mean like that. Aw, good kitty. Alright. So I don't know what I'm gonna be doing, but last time I tried recording this video, I just walked around. I looked for my cat because I couldn't find her. But there she is. She's right over there. So if this video just randomly cuts off somewhere, then you know what happened. If you actually listen to what I said in the first part of the video. If not, go back and listen to it. Otherwise, you're going to have no idea what just happened. Ow, my leg. There are leaves everywhere. There's like this pile over here. I don't know what that's about. I think Zoe did that, but like this pile of nothing. Now we got a pile over here. Xena! Hi! I'm Spider-Man. Come on, Xena! Walk those little cat legs. Also, my cat can't get up here. Well, actually, she probably can, but she just doesn't. She just decides not to. Last time I cut off at like 5 minutes, and in my egg making video, it cut off at like 16 minutes and 33 seconds. And yes, I do remember that. I did that video like half an hour ago. Not even that. It was like, oh, she can't get up here. Oh my god. That's the first time I think that's the first time I've ever seen her get up here on her own. Oh. Yeah, and I try to help her down, but she just jumps down. Oh, good kitty. This cat is really soft. I'm talking like soft. It's like soft as my hair when it like doesn't get wet. Yeah, that's the thing that I just said. It's as soft as my hair the day after I get a shower. And that's like really soft. Yeah, if I post this video on the weekend and I come back to school and y'all is petting my hair, I'm gonna be slapping somebody. I'm gonna be slapping some boys. That's you. I'm gonna be slapping you. Try to pet my hair. Can't just pet my hair without my permission. I won't allow that. Xena. Xena. Oh, God. It's funny what cameras can do to make things funny. Alright. Yeah, you have fun getting down. Yeah, I should probably end the video soon. Even though it's been 5 minutes, it just randomly cut off last time, so I don't know what to do about that, honestly. The last thing I want this video to end on is my cat. I mean, like, or, well, actually, usually that means, like, you don't want your video to end on the face of your cat. But I do want my video to end on the face of my cat. Because my cat's adorable. And soft and pretty. Look at that pretty. Look at that pretty cat. Majestic kitty. Shake hand. No. Okay. You can't shake paw yet, can you? By yeah, I mean like you probably won't learn. You ever given your cat a hug? I have. Once I hugged my dead cat. That was sad. The funny thing was, that when my cat died, I couldn't stop laughing about it. Like he looked freaking hilarious when he died. Like no disrespect to my cat, but like it just looked so funny, and I couldn't stop laughing. And it was like a rag doll, and it was funny. Therefore, I couldn't stop laughing. Yeah, I should probably end this video soon. I don't know. I haven't found much to do. Yeah, my cat's buried behind that giant tin can over there, also known as my garage. Yeah, my property's freaking huge. I mean, look at all that. I don't even know how anyone could afford this, except like Trump or something. Hey, how's it going? Now, this cat is really warm and really soft. The two things you can never deny that go together is warm and soft. It's like hugging a marshmallow. What is that? Wait a minute. You guys see that? What is that? I have questions. Alright, whatever. Okay, so that's probably gonna have to do it for this video. Look, inside my house. Oh my god. Okay. There. So, yeah, probably gonna have to end the video soon. Otherwise, the video will end for me. I don't want that to happen. So, thank you for watching this video. If you did, if not, what's wrong with you? And yeah, I'll see you guys in whatever video I may or may not make next. I'm gonna end the video on my cat. Xena. Say goodbye. Come on, kitty. Come on. Bye-bye, kitty.